great potential every student has for good. Potential to make good in life. For 120 years, our Catholic schools have provided a well-balanced and Catholic education for many Bahinos. Just look around, and you'll find that many of those in the Parliament and other government offices are product of our Catholic school. Today, our Catholic schools are still continuing to light the way to many of our children on the road to discovery and development. Dear students, we all have our own specialties. Some of you may be very good at academic subjects such as math, science, or languages. Some of you may have very creative hands and a sharp eye for art, home economics, or one of the technical subjects. Our teachers will have you on that road to discovery and development. You will be surrounded by people who will have your interests at heart and who will want you to do well. But no teacher, and indeed no school, can change you or your attitude. That has to be your decision. Nobody, either here in school or at home, can make this a good year for you unless you yourself cooperate in the process. We have a real and serious responsibility to discover, develop, and use the gifts and talents that God has given us. At the end of the day, God will ask us to give an account of how we use the gifts He gave us. Dear parents and teachers, you are the light of the world. These are our Lord's words. They were spoken to His first disciples. If we are disciples of His today, He is saying them to us. I get great comfort from this. I find it very reassuring. The image of light seems especially appropriate to this Catholic school. For this is designed as a place of enlightenment, to light the way entails much dedication and commitment. Let us consecrate ourselves and our work to the glory of God. Make it a real consecration, an offering. I, and through Jesus Christ, who prays that we may be consecrated in the truth. And a simple way of making this consecration permanent is to renew it every day, offering each day to God. Let your light shine. Don't hide it under the top. God has faith in you. He wants you to have faith in yourself. As Catholic educator, you enter into and share the role of forming youth entrusted to you. In reality, you are taking your role as Catholic educator, seriously, it is Christ in you and through you who is forming the youth in your care. You may not often feel that you are sharing Christ's educator role. You may not tangibly experience the Spirit of Christ moving you. But if you are genuinely dedicated to your ideal as a Catholic educator, the reality is there just the same. And as the Lord Himself tells us, by their fruits you shall know them. That is, from the effects and results in your students, the diligence, the discipline, the politeness, the loving kindness, noble ideals manifested by your students. It will be seen what is the quality and value of your education.